Hi ma'am. Hello Renu ma'am. Good evening. Yali ho. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you Rekha Mathurji. Yali ho. Yeah. Thank you all for sparing your valuable time with me. Even it's a Sunday, so you are giving your time. So it's more than enough for us and doing such activity. Good evening Bandita Royji. Hello Calorex admin. Good evening. So hope all of you are fine and everyone at your family is also fine in ongoing pandemic situation, and hope for the best, and we hope that the situation will come to an end and we all have to fight together. I value your time, your valuable time, and not wasting your time. I'd like to take up this moment as a pleasure to share my experiences at Visamo. So many experiences, so many people to guide me, so many people to help me out, and it's just a metamorphic change of my life and what I was and what I am today. I belong to a family. We are six brothers and sister. So in my family, other than me, nobody has studied. It was my chance. It was my I would rather say I was lucky to get a chance to study at Visamo and change my life in a very different way and develop a new image in the market. Uh, I'd like to thank Visamo as a platform for providing me education because all that began was from Visamo. If Visamo wouldn't arise, I would not have get any chance anyway. So Visamo is a base where I got the education. I'd not also forget my school trustees, Kamal sir, who is helping me, uh, who helped me in education. He also helped me to give a job. I had worked in Anand Niketan. He personally called me up and asked for working. Anytime I used to go for help to Kamal sir, he would never say no. And even when I was doing my CA intern, uh, uh, he provided me a lodging and food facility at Anand Niketan school. So very well, very much thank you to you, sir, and I'll never forget your act of kindness. And now I'd also like to express my thanks to Visamo and its important pillars. I could say there are means many pillars on which Visamo is working. We could say that Grumata, teachers, they are playing their roles at their level. So if even if anyone was not there, we would not have procured what we are today. So it was a collective activity and collective efforts of Visamo Parivar, Visamo staff, and Visamo family to bring us to this height. I'd like to thank Ami ma'am, uh, Ami ma'am, and my bonding is like more than a mother and a son. So I'm very attached to Ami ma'am, and whatever I am means she has always tried to see me as a son and expressed her feelings. She would rather consider me a son and say whatever she would like to say, and she never differentiated like he's a Samu child, so what? Why should we worry? But she considered not me only, each and every child of Visamu, and she is a nurturer, like I could say nurturer, who is helping in developing each and everyone. So very much thank you, ma'am. I would say my words are very less for you, and I also remember, Ami ma'am, some feelings to share with you. Initially, when I joined Visamo, uh, I joined school almost after half yearly. So the time had gone, and we were like behind other students. So Ami ma'am used to take our extra classes, and she would come at 3 and would go late in the evening around 8, and she would dedicatedly work for us. And means one fine Sunday, I have one experience to share. She also contributed her Sundays initially for us. So she had come, and there was some party at Visamo, and everyone was enjoying, but due to some work and our assignment, uh, I was uh, I was sitting there and means didn't like it. Then Agrumata came and said, ask Ami ma'am कि मैम सबको भेजो प्लीज, मीन्स सब लोग है बर्थडे पार्टी में एंड everyone is needed. So means Ami ma'am told go and come fast. So I was like, how could I come fast, ma'am? I cannot means complete that party and come in so much time, and I got very stubborn at it. And means stubborn means I could not understand what was right and wrong, what I was doing. So she tried to explain me. See, she had said to come fast, but does not mean that she will pull you from there. But I could not understand that as due to lack of maturity, we can say. But somewhere I feel I did wrong, and I don't know. But she is always like a mother. She always forgives us for whatever, means like a child. Means ગુજરાતીમાં એક કહેવત છે કે દીકરા મતલબ દીકરા કુવાલા થાય, માતા પિતા કુવાલા ના થાય. So Ami ma'am is like a mother to me, like that. Grumatas, I never not forget their contribution. Not only we stayed at Visamo far from our family, Grumatas also sacrificed their family. They were staying with us 24 hours, looking after us, and boarding facility, everything. Evening time, they were with us. They were narrating stories. I will not forget our Niruben. Niruben, she is since long with us. And I have another experience to share. I was going through a physiotherapy at Visamo. So means at that time only I was reluctant to go with some selected Grumatas. So I always prefer, no, I will go with this Grumata only. So even if that Grumata had work, she would leave it aside and she would come with us just because considering us as a child. So thanks all to the Grumatas also. Grumata. Then I would also not forget the dedicated work and dedication of our driver, Mr. Karubai, Karu uncle. He has always helped us in going to tuitions. He took us to tuition, and he also bed with us late evening tuitions with us. We used to have 11, 12 tuitions, so we used to come late around 9. Sometimes it would be 9, quarter to 10 or 10. So Karubai was also like he was bearing with us, and next morning again he has to go early in the 6 in the morning. So thank you, Karu uncle. We'll never forget your contribution. I would like to also express my feelings at Visamo. I learned few of the things, means how to overcome some situations in life. So again, I would like to thank Ami ma'am and Anuja ma'am. They always tried to boost up as positive as we could, and they were like, see, be positive from inside. Don't expect or ask for anything, and always remember, don't expect from anything. Be at your best, and that's the mantra we are following. And even dealing in my daily life, I like to say there are many ups and downs in my life. I'm married, so to man and married at very young age, so it was very difficult for me to manage my married life. And but I would also say that Ami ma'am always supporting me. Like anytime I'll call her, ma'am, this is the problem. Ma'am, આ થઈ ગયું છે. Ma'am, પેલું થયું છે. So ma'am would like, બેટા શાંતિ રાખ. So she is always there, and I'd say that's the best feeling I would express. And one thing she taught me was that, see, whenever there is a fight or anything, be silent, and whenever you get a chance, and after that quarrel or fight, you express your feelings and try to make them understand that the situation was this, and we were up to this, and we could have done this. So that will give you a positive response, and indeed it is giving me in my daily life, I could say. And I somehow I'm managing with some little ups and downs in my life. I remember playing chess at Visamo. I would not forget my friends. I love to play chess with Chirayu and Raju, and a chess sir would come on every Sunday, and after Sunday evening, and after chess we'd have a nice feast in Visamo. Some part of this, I would like also thankful to be the volunteers who are working directly or indirectly to Visamo. Directly means they are giving their services, they are contributing their services, like providing education, supporting us anytime they need, taking time out of their daily working timing. So in one of that, I would like to thank Hardip Pathak Bhaiya. He used to come from Yuva, and on every Sunday at 4 o'clock, what the time it is right now, he used to come and get many people with his influences, and would attend it and give us education, try to solve our problems, any extra tuitions, extra activities. They would always take us outings. They would take us to the Yuva Garba. I would like when I was in 10th, and my schools were about to start in May, so all students and Grumatas were at their home. So I was like, where to stay in May month, and Hardip Bhaiya was like, I will take you to my home, okay, don't worry, okay. And that was the moment I'll never forget, because he promised me before 1 month, and after 1 month, their family decided to go on a tour to North India, and he had sacrificed that tour just because we had gone to stay at his place and for our schooling. So thanks, Hardip Bhai. I'll not forget this act of kindness. And I also learned one nice recipe at his home, which me and his Nagaland friends had prepared it excellently. So that was an interesting recipe, and we still remember it. And when I come to recipe, I loved cooking, and I also love cooking right now. So whenever I used to get time in Visamo, I used to go to kitchen. I would like to help in Visamo kitchen and give my help whatever I could do. And somehow I learned how to cook something delicious food, and what I am doing at my home and serving my family right now, and they enjoy it. So thanks a lot for that. And apart from that, I still love going to Visamo. I contribute my services. Last year, I helped out Rashmika and Ashish Kori with commerce subjects. So I helped them out in some of the basics of accounts, economics, business studies. So they were happy with what I had done for them, and they still remember for us. In Visamo, we used to have a peer visit, and I had a friend of mine, Deshal Shah. So I accidentally invited him, like with as everyone was inviting, and when I'd gone to school for the first time, Deshal was the first guy who called me, and I sat beside him. So when my Grumata said, whom do you like to call for this? So I said, call Deshal. So my Deshal, he called, and I didn't know that that single calling of Deshal at Visamo would give a long relation, and I am still having that relation with his family right now. I'm in still communication, and just that's a bond which Visamo has helped me to done. Yeah, Gaurav also I had helped him out. Yeah, thanks for that. Uh, one another thing I would say that Hardip Bhaiya's father, unknowingly he never visited Visamo, but when we went for 4 to 5 days, how many he stayed with us. He used to come to drop to us at the bus stop, and even if he had to go for his job or services. So I'm thankful, and even I got opportunity from Visamo. Still I'm getting support from Visamo, and I'll say that we are getting help from Visamo. That's why a child would never forget Visamo. So that's the feeling I'm carrying, and that's the environment they have provided, empowerment they give, and education what they are serving. So hats off to to Visamo Parivar staff, and all my friends. And I I I'll, I'll not forget all people who have served Visamo directly or indirectly. And even if I missed out them, I'm really sorry for them. But your contribution to Visamo has served a lot, and what we are today is due to your efforts and hard work. Thanks a lot. Thanks for joining me and taking your valuable time on even on Sunday. Thank you all.